present, we are joined by two talented players from the Premier Impala FC generation, Nkululeko Matrax and Fezile Jezabel. In 2015, they were part of the team that won the Discovery Tournament with Matrax, later attracting on opportunity with Kaizer Chiefs. Today we go back to their childhood, their development, their rise, and the challenges they faced, and where their journey changed. Most importantly, we want to understand why the professional dream didn't happen and what today young players can learn from their stories. Merchants, maybe before we can go anywhere, Matrax, Jezabel, you cannot just maybe with you, Jezabel, just introduce
Sanibonani, igama lami uFezile Bhoboyi, angibiza ngoJezabel. Igama lakaJezabel ngilithatha eNike Stadium. Ngabe ngimthembu kakhulu.
uthathe Nike Stadium.
Ngithathe eNike Stadium.
Usakhumbula letsatsi le ne le tsala ka lona gore na ke mang o fileng o qeta o etsa eng?
Tseba ke mang o fileng?
Ke mang?
Ke Rewa.
Ke
Rewa. Ya, ke Rewa. Ya, o mfile a re Jezabel.
A re Jezabel.
A ke re ke Mkhotswane. Ngiyakhuthuza la emakhoneni.
Hayi jawona Nkululeko. Yeah.
Sanibonani, igama lami uNkululeko Buthelezi, bangibiza ngoMatrax. Igama leli elithi Matrax ngalithola ku-Stop Java, omunye umngane wethu mesihlala naye wasishiya washona.
Yeah,
uye umuntu wangengipha lelo gama.
Okay. So Matrax wena nje iqalile ngaphi?
Diski icale ku-Premier Impala.
Okay.
Nesihlala ku-Premier Impala naye uJezabel. Sisebancane. Maybe mesesabona bo-9. Mkhulu uTalux wasihlalisa ibhola, salibele sihlala ibhola. Sagcina sesifika ku-first team mina naye.
Oh.
Ku-first team 2015. Sadlala iDiscovery nawo Jezabel.
Yeah.
Asiceda ukudlala iDiscovery sayiwina. Asiceda ukuyiwina iDiscovery. Sadla in the team there. I said Deep Proof.
Juventus.
Abo Overmars. Academy.
Yeah.
I said Deep Proof.
Oh.
Yeah.
So now, how can Jeza then Jeza no wena ke batla re nke from how le ntwana. O bona? From how le ntwana o qadile ba like o no dlala strateng, then from there o ga look to the tsa go ka straight nje.
Prior ka mina ngicale estradeni.
Qale strateng.
Ngicale estradeni sidlala ama-challenge no-Matrax. You understand? Sadlala no-Matrax bekhona futhi estradeni sethu. Yabona estradeni sethu benisokudlala vele. Saphinde sathatha khona uPunk bekashaya i-tournament.
Sure.
Yeah. uMatrax bekadlala uMessi nabo bantu bakhe. Yeah. Sabachacha. Yeah, sabachacha, sabazeni bathu. Sabachacha. Umbuzo uyalazi
So
ba?
you were on kada ko no so dlala Premier or no so
Hayi, bengakadlali Premier. So ngaqala lapho vele. Ukuthi
Trax wena
Mina naye uFezile vele mesihlala estradini khola Punk. Sihlala amathupali. Masilibele sihlala amathupali kwaba khona abo screamer abe first team bePrem. Basibona ukuthi siyalazi ibhola. Athi sonibona ejimini, zana ejimini sojima, safika vele sajima, silibele sijima under 9, under 13, silibele nje sikhuphuka nabo. Bese sithi under 15 Jezabel bampromote kuqala.
Okay.
Mina bangishiya ku-under 15 Jezebel bampromota ku-Prima wadlala ku-first team. Mina ngilibele ngidlala ku-under 15. Jezebel first season azange adlale
Okay.
ku-Discovery but mekakhona.
Elikini khona bekadlala already.
Bekadlala eligini.
Bekadlala.
Yeah, Discovery but hayi usesemncane akakazi ezinye izinto. Waceda nje
Coach about that year.
that team coach uJomo Umphoma Tutsi. Coach uJomo ku-first team but kuleya now Jezebel wamtshela ukuthi hayi ungapheli umoya uzothola i-chance yakho next season bapromota mina mabaceda ukungipromota uFezile yena sekadlala mina sekuyimi engihlala ebhenjini. Hayi nami ngiyabona ngithi Fezile sekayadlala ngithi hayi sa-relaxa mina nawo Fezile hayi vele mesingabangane siyimpintshi siyonke iremp sagcina sesiphusha yabona sesiphusha sebabona nasejimini ukuthi hayi man abangani abantu sagcina-ke kule enye-ke sesidlala sonke bona abantu abadala sebathi hayi thina sesibadala nina chubekani sachubeka-ke sagcina-ke sesilibele sidlala i-Discovery.
Okay. So maybe singathini in terms of i-development vele masakhula then bekuyinto e-grand vele we're going through the right channels or hayi bekuyinto vele wonke umuntu wenza into ayifunayo nje or vele i-development bekuyinto e-grand?
Ngitshela abantu bro thina besingazi development hayi besinganayo angazi uma-drugs maybe utholile mina ngiyithola i-development that's why
omnandi kanje mfethu or it was just uNkulunkulu
nje
or nokuhlakanipha kwakho?
yeah mara mina ngiyithola ngi-development
wena
ngikutshele ma
mina i-development 2015 2014 ngaya ku-Chiefs 2014.
Okay.
Angifika ku-Chiefs ngihamba nawo Messi Brian.
Yeah.
Safika satrayela bamkhatha uMessi ngasala mina ngatrayela bangikhatha kule viki lelizayo nami bangikhatha abaceda ukungikhatha ngabuyela ngathi hayi ngcono ngizibuyelele ekhaya ngizosihlalela iPrima ngoba angibalahlanga abantu basekhaya azangibalahla. Safika vele hayi ngalelo langa bathi hayi sodlala ne-Chiefs quarter final. Ngamtshela nawo Messi ngathi Messi ila kumele sibabone khona ukuthi thina senza kanjani. Safika sadlala mina naye masiceda ukudlala saba right.
Ngiyithandela lento le it's real that's fake that's yeah. So maybe before re tlo tla re ya kwana ema-drugs lwena so coach e leng gore o la lenka e leng gore you have learned so much under yena maybe in your development structure or so le ko professional or so le ko first team be go bani? Coach Thabang Moloi. Okay.
Uye wangithatha la muntu wangikhuluma yazi ungifundisa enye into yazi ngimthanda namanje angitsheli abantu naso.
Okay. Right wena bekubani?
Nami into engizoyisho ngasho ukuthi uThabang ngoba uThabang ngakhona ukusibonisa ukuthi asichike aphinde futhi asibonise ukuthi ekuseni siyajima ngo-6 but akhona ukusilanda ukuthi ngo-6 sifuneka kuphi ejimini sikhona ukuvuka siye ejimini sonke. Bekanganama-favorite players ukuthi ini but uma wazi ukuthi siyadlala Sunday akhona ukukujimisa Sunday ngo-6
inelitaba yaspana utsho kuwena nelibholo awuphefoma utlodlala awusaphefoma utla ukhuluma lisayiti maro ntso maro so like maybe ha le gola maybe one mic ntse le ko wena o ntso gola like o no le ma-drugs ne le player e jwang e disciplined or e difficult or e talented mareng a sa rate training or ona spana e ne le hard work?
Okay bro mina sengiphendula uFezile ngithi Lengiphi le discipline elithanda ibhola?
Yeah.
Eyi mara bengingezwa.
Bo?
Bengingezwa.
You
Hhayi
were
mina
not sure.
bengingezwa. Mina bengingezwa. Benginokufika uzongo nama-drugs lapha endlini.
Sure.
Bangivuse ekuseni. Masibusa nezongo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Zongo.
Masibusa nezongo.
Eh.
Yeah.
Lo
Bangigogotela.
amatolo.
Masibusa nezongo ngikutshela imanga. Mbuze nami. Ejaridini bangivuse.
Okay.
Sitsheza
So uthanda ibhola but in terms of bohlupha njengomntwana
bengihlupha in terms
you
of
were
umntwana.
aware
Bengihlupha in terms of umntwana.
of umntwana.
Yeah, ngoba mara ibhola ngiyalithanda mina. Angeke ngikutshele
Yeah,
mara.
ibhola bo.
Yeah.
Okay,
Sengiyasho ukuthi angithi uyazi kunjani.
sure.
Ya mina into engizokutshela yona ukuthi mina mingahluphi. Ngithanda ibhola. But uyazi abangani ukuthi mesinokuyenzana ayi namhlanje sijuthane ayi asiye ejimini. Nalo wathi akayi ejimini sikhona ukujuthana yabona singakuyi ngalento ukuthi
Njalo kanti intwana
ukuthi ayi masiya lapha coach uzofika asijimise asigijimise senze yabo sigijimele izolo namhlanje kumele sigijime sithi hayi side ezidini sithina sifuna ukudlala ibhola kanti ucoach thina uyasinceda ukuthi hey ngoba sithole nathi sikhona ukuthi si-strong.
So in terms of family, how like i-family is supported kanjani in terms of i-development?
Ifamily ukuthi ifamily futhi mengangeni indaba yebhola.
I-family.
Yeah. Mengangeni but yona ibone sebathi hayi man umntwana wakho uyadlala. Khane sekathi hayi athi ngihambe ngiyombukela bafika abazali bazosibukela noJezebeli bathi ayi eniyalazi ibhola thina silibele sihleli la kanti siphethe idazi so ilapho ke sesicale ke sesithanda khona ibhola ke sesiyakhula sesiyalithanda ke ibhola.
Yeah, same question just.
Ifamily mina tshela iqiniso izangihethe yabo. Kodwa lami ngiyacaba ukuthi ngiyadlala ibhola. Yafika sengidlala ku-Discovery semi-final ne-final. Mara throughout the process. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, and which is I'm a coach, and which is I always engage abazali parents. Do you know ukuthi labantwana bathanda ibhola kanjani? Immediately as someone omthandayo, if you don't go just in 15 minutes late.
Yes, bro.
15 minutes. Then when in your mind you still have that it's uma uleli call. Uyabona? Even if angayehla vaye, ungamboni, you understand? Yeah, so I believe we still have to channel that and see. So in terms of talent, uqala ukubona nini ukuthi hayi manje mina ngiyashisa.
Yeah, mina
ngiyimela into yami manje.
Mina ngibona estradeni ukuthi hayi la ngitsuke la.
Bungakanani la?
Hayi ngisasi boma 9. Yo, bacoca.
Bobacoca. Kusho ukuthi lento le hayi qalanga nje
isegazini bro.
From usasengwa.
Isegazini. Akutshela manganas, isegazini.
Mara nani I remember ngidlala Matrax. Matrax nitsadlala. Hayi Matrax it was just an ordinary guy. But hayi Matrax akasaphumi manje. Ushaya insimbi hey Matrax first game yakitala umona nekele zone 3 under 15 iyo
ngikutshela ivari program lawo Matrax uphuma wapi
wabona that game ileka mbonakala Matrax yaba sing so
chemeka rikuje something
yeah
Matrax udlala besta
sure
khona coach wasebesta azibeka mbiza baba Storoto uyeza and slow yeah ngitshela ma uyeza lezi K9 yeah mara this slow that's nama pass dawathi
yeah dangerous lo muntu dangerous lo muntu
or namanga
wena Matrax uqaleni ukuzibona ukuthi hayi manje bafethu nami ke sesenyalana manje
mina ukucala kwami ukuzibona ngizibone sengumdala maybe 15
sure yeah
15 yeah ukuthi abona manje abangani bami sebangishile badlala ku-under 17 mina ngisesele ku-under 15 but ngikhona ukudlala under 15 under 17 yabona ngikhona ukudlala kanje
yeah
yeah ukuthi vele bona vele kimi badala but bengikhona nami ukuyenza leyo nto ukuthi yazi nami ngibhalansa kwenye mangidlala nentanga zami bathi ngimdala but mangithi ngikhiphe i-ID hayi umncane.
bro wami yazi sike sadlala nabo bani bathi bani lezi abobhano lezi ze-Pirates GSS badlala bafake i-Cameroon bathi acheza utalusa acheza penge lalela bro ngeke ngikutshele manga bayangazi laba khona ngabalanda buza uMessi uzokutshela mbuzo ngabalanda
Sure.
ngabalanda
Babalanda.
ngabalanda
So
bengishude ureferee bengimshiya ya
uya.
mangithi one touch uhlalawazi ukuthi asohlangana eboxini sohlangana eboxini
Seza lamajeza.
ya
You know,
izinja
and again, it's so disturbing and ukuthi uthole we had so much talent,
ya
but it was not captured. That's sometimes mawukhuluma ukuthi antwana yami sonengosa mntanami ngiyabona ukuthi ubaba bekayenzani la. We don't have that. It's story nje.
story
Mntanami even if wena ukathola ngicosile because hayi time la ngishasha hayi. Okay, fele belimnandi hayi not that. If there's evidence uyabona ukuthi yo kanti thana lambele kanje.
Ngithi
Uzokuthi
bro,
kumele nami ngicingise.
ngithi mina nginemagazine
Yeah, ngiyibona iMessi
Yeah.
angiponisa yona la ke
Jezabel nemagazine
Negezini yokuthi lezo hambele uyibone uhlele.
bro angazi bangibone kanjani abantu ababe kusenayi man Yeah.
Udlala.
ya ngidla
So Messi uyibuyile
Yeah.
I think past pre and episode ya Rona Messi he did and he spoke a lot about you Matrax and ke Mathemba Shabalala.
Themba Shabalala Themba Shabalala
Into eblomdita.
ayo bro ngifuna ukukhuluma manga Themba Shabalala Themba Shabalala
Themba Shabalala
Yo,
bekazi ibhola kakhulu
Yo.
lo mfana.
Themba Shabalala.
Amfana bekazi ibhola kakhulu. Bekabonisa ukuthi ukhulela ku-development from asesemncane. Yabona bekakhona ukusishaya ezinye izinto thina singazitholanga. Yabona
Yeah.
ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi
Development
mina
is important.
yeah development if udlala development ukuthi development noma una 9 years makacala athi 15 yonke into sekayazi yebhola ngoba thina into esishayile ukuthi abazali
You
abanama
grow as
yeah
as you go.
Nangapha
And bona
abazali-
bayithola kusase
bona yabona bona nabazali abanamali ngapha kumele ugibele usuke la uye kuphi yabona and manje ezinye izinto vele ezisikhostile ukuthi singatholi i-development yeah.
So what's your take in terms of ama-team akhona mare banke bolo ya dintwana from under 6 banke serious like to the extent ya hore dintwana di bewa fatshe di a rutiwa anke we have teams Kopinville and we cannot say sifuna ama-team amanye as no to those teams bring information, bring qualified coaches, let information ukuthi abafana bakhule ground. You understand? Why am I saying that? Because of sometimes we told him attraction into but if he's going to take that boy to our local team, uyazi ukuthi hayi laphaya vele nokudeleza kuba mari intwana yakho ithole maybe i-team edlala ku-TDL maybe let's say ise-Phosphorus wena kumele uhlukane ne-clipper every day for yena ukuthi aye ejimini which is unfair for umzali. You understand? But now if these things they come closer to nina lo mntwana lo uphuma endlini uya la uyajima uyabuya mako yazi lapha ekhona uthola into egrand into esiyifunayo leyo uyabona.
Ethi ngitshele baba ngaphathi manema ukuthi le ntwana lezi ezamanje azifuni ukujima
Yeah.
azifuni ukujima naso ngitshela mama
Okay.
mara masingathatha sihlangane nje sizijimele sodwa sihlangane la egroundini ngaba right mara sekukuthi nje le ntwana lezi
Zibe motivated in terms of ukujima.
sekuthi nje manje zinokudelela intwana mara masingazithatha thina njengama-hotman sijimeni ibhola phela uzazi ukuthi ujima noJeza phela ujima noMatrax yeah kuba mnandi
Kuba mnandi,
yeah
so,
kuba mnandi
kuba mnandi.
yeah kuba mnandi Hotman yeah
So manje ngifuna ukuthi sizokhuluma nge-discovery. Discovery. First question ukuthi i-memory uyikhumbula straight ukuthi le angeke ngiyikhohlwe emhlabeni. Okay, ngiyayibona ukuthi ngidlale maybe 8 games before ngifike e-final but le moment
Ayi mina i-moment leyo mesidlala nabo Makareni ekuseni ngo-10
sure.
eyi leyo angeke ngiyikhohlwe. Yabona leyo angeke ngiyikhohlwe ngoba leyo mesidlala nabantu ama-ex-professional amaningi
Oh,
lapho nathi sasibonisa ukuthi hhayi kusalayo wona siwasabi nama-ex-professional sizoya kubo ngoba manje
Yola.
hhayi saphusha masiceda ukuphusha sabadla ngama-penalty ne sabashaya 3-1
Yeah.
sabadla 3-1 ila sesizibona khona ukuthi hhayi manje pound to pound sesingahlangana abazayo ngoba masiceda ukudla bona
kahle maybe take me through ukuthi kuqale kanjani tunneling, how was the fight, how until nini
ngikutshela mina ivari yazi iqale bethanethini iqale kuba umngane wami wakhipha nama-ex-professional bewayi-3
yeah
yeah abayi-5 wawakhipha
wabakhipha
sithe masela lapha egemini Hotman sithathe 15 minutes singalitholi ibhola ngithemba ngilibamba
15 minutes
15 minutes asilitholi ibhola ngithemba ngilibamba kwanyiwa first touch kwanyiwa kwanyiwa ukuya le eboxini ngiphasa umngane wami Matrax safe 1-0 score second half siyabuya sekaphasa mina yena 2-0 3-0
laba mnandi
sabancuma kanjalo nje kuphela ngoba uyazi Matrax ukuthi mina mangizothi uyaliphasa umngane wami.
okay utsho-ke ukuba bangani ngaphandle it assist e-grounding ukuthi ngiyacabanga
yeah ngoba yena mangabe uyenza into wrong kumele ngumtshele ungamsabi noma kumngani wami ngumtshela ukuthi angeke silibele sithathe ibhola sikuphandele ibhola wena ulibele ulidlisa
yeah
okay ufuna senze thina ngoba uyabona ukuthi labantu laba ama-professional asishanga yonke into yeah asishanga experience ngayo yonke into yabona yeah but wena ngcono lo muntu masiceda ukulwina wena hamba sibale thatha lo muntu umfake eboxini vele umfowethu wayenza leyo nto box mawaceda ukungena eboxini cutback goal ila sengumtshela ukuthi hawu uyavuma lo ngapha uyavuma so khona ukuhamba ngaye ngoba vele thina yeah kudwa umuntu ozoswinela wuwe.
so joining i-discover that year benicaba ukuthi nizoyiwina or benithatha ama-chance nje
tshele bari bro esingazi ukuthi uyithatha ne mara along the way angithi kuze kwayenzeka ukuthi kwabhoda i-Hotman u-20
okay
yeah
yeah
makubhoda i-Hotman u-20
Semi-final.
inhliziyo zabela zabuda kwathiwa hayi adiwela madoda
hardware
adiwela
yeah
ukuthi soyenza njani sobona phambili
but
ngoba
masisilwela umfowethu
yeah sathumula ikipa sazilahlela emafenzini zakhala sabayenzela amasimo sabayenzela amasimo
yeah
Mina into engizoyisho masiceda mekakhona na u-20 masiceda ukudla lapho masiceda ukubadla u-20 wathi sinaye la wathi bafethu winani discovery naye sho ukuthi meseka emqondweni mesekazitshela ukuthi hayi lezi zami ziyashisa ziwinile ukuthi hayi sezingenile lezi zami
yeah
kanti thina kusasa kubo bathi hayi silent ushonile sazibuza ukuthi lo muntu mesinaye
yeah
manje sekashonile yini sho ukuthi nathi ukucabanga ukuthi maybe meka-happy kakhulu or asazi yini ngoba mekangagula angayenzi next
yeah
ngoba washona nje kanjalo but naye uTalux wabuya wasitshela ukuthi manje no-Castich semi-final ngicela mina ningiwinele icup for silent kuphela. Nathi-ke sayenza leyo nto, sahlala phansi sisonke wakuthi bafethu sonke vele inhliziyo zethu zibuhlungu, asisamile noma kanjani ukuthi siyayiwina ngenkani le game. Siyayiwina kukho kruko, siyayiwina noma ngcono uphuzi nawe usebhara but silwile sonke.
Okay. So now, what made Premier Impala so special?
Khotman ngitshela imali angazi ukuthi yenze ngani kube special ngoba lama Khotman wethu bodlala from Pima Impala kudala, mara ngiyacabanga ukuthi bayithathile i-discovery nabo ngenkathi zabo or abayithathanga angazi, mara yithi seyenze yaba special. Yithi seyenze
So
yaba special.
it was because of Benzwana or this
Besihlangene Khotman yambheka bekuyi-brotherhood Khotman
lento leyo ukuthi hayi if bakhabatha umatras bakhabatha mina.
Yeah.
Babona because most of ama-team kuba la ya okay mina ngidlala nalele ya but udlala same position nalo ibhola mawuqeda ukuthola uhlezi uliphaza laphaya instead of maybe nishare, but because of your brotherhood now kusho ukuthi ibhola you can pass anyone egrounding.
Yazi besenza thina Khotman i-brotherhood phela, sihlangene naboseshi nabo-screamer, shuthi siyakwazi ukuthi masihlangene leyo 5 rand unayo angithi kuceda ukuyodlala beke phansi sihamba sothengule sohlala sonke sinjalo vele besinjalo vele bekuyi-brotherhood sho bengeke usihlukanise.
Yeah,
bongeke
Vele thina mengeke usihlukanise ngoba thina noma kuphi la sihamba khona mesihamba siyicima. Mengeke uthole ukuthi maybe uJezabel usezone 2 or uJezabel angeke. uJezabel makasezone 2 bazohamba maybe bayi-4 or bayi-3 kuthi umthola ayi-1 angeke noma ungathi umlimazile angeke.
So Nina Lutu, let's say you are the head coach Lilitu, the premier, and then Katzin, uthi iline up bengayibeka kanjani as a coaches. Now usifake phakathi.
Okay.
11.
Yeah, 11. Sure.
Awuyibali mngani.
Oh mina
Awuyibali mngani.
number 1.
Usho le yethu
Yeah, there's a coaches.
Mina number 1. Mezithi Swela epalini.
Yes.
Sure.
Number 2 mezithi Sizwe. Number 3 mezithi Stop or uShuba lo manje soku-ref. Yeah, meku-Shuba. 4 and 5 moku Ulu Makela walimali. Wakabathi kuMakela. Ngokulu unobani?
Nhlanhla.
Khokho. Oh, Nhlanhla.
Nhlanhla. Kopoko Nhlanhla.
President Sizwe.
Sizwe sesimfakile.
Sizwe right back, yane.
Yeah.
Uthi sekamfake ku right back. Yeah. So
Emidleleni
Sithi
Bonga.
Sithi wena Madrax.
Mina baqeda sithi Zwili.
Oh. Okay, Zwi.
Right wing.
Jezabel. Left wing.
Yeah.
Mukhona omunye umngane uthi emekakhahlela lo muntu.
Right.
Uthi kicks. Uthi manje injury yambhayizisa. Walimala mara yena nensimbi yana yikho namanje nje hayi ibhola.
Ibhola ya.
Akasayingeni.
Ngiyathanda mara.
Yeah, if so khabatheli zonke. Then mo striker baba.
Striker mesifaka uThebo.
Besimstrike.
Simstrikisa.
Lion no hlangwa.
Mang?
Lion.
Bestrike screamer.
Yeah, mina first 11 yami.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
mina
no striker ka Tshepo wena.
kaThebo.
Oh, so wena ka striker kama
Mo screamer.
mo screen. Ulion ahlala ngaphansi.
Yeah, la ngase. Bengistrike
Mo screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ngoba ngiyalazi udaba.
Oh, I know. Okay, so now ke batla re renye ka game e leng hore Season season e kile la discover re dlala le Kaizer Chiefs.
2014.
Yeah.
Ozangikhuluma.
Ne dithanda.
Sheba abuti abona leya season leya abona leya season leya yo basketball quarter final ngiphethe ama-drugs mngani wami udliwe ngiphethe ama-drugs ngikushaye right back ngilithatha ku-Extain
Este.
yeah wona nozitha ama-check ngiyamdribula wangishaya idolo
Azange uphuma.
ngaphuma
Iyo
ngaphuma mbuzo
Zitha.
izitha ama-checking
Zitha
Kwinika
ya
yena loyo odlala ku-Chiefs lo
Zitha khala ngata uraya ne.
Maka yabona mina ngokubona ngami i-Chiefs nayo la ikhona. Hayi yona meyazi ukuthi hayi
Ibhekana
phela i-Chiefs yadla wonke ama-team ayifika kithi
wanye.
sadlala i-draw ya-1-1 basikhipha ngama-penalty.
Ngamapenalty.
Nabo bayazi
Kusho ukuthi it was a tough game mo.
tough game
Kunyiwa.
Ngoba-
Mathangiyeza
ngoba
Kamole kawo.
Kanje.
ngoba mina into engizokutshela yona ukuthi thina safila ngentiwa yabo thina ukufila yethu safila ngentiwa ngoba Jezebel thina mesiplaying uJezebel nabo be-Chiefs mebaplaying uJezebel.
Meaning like playing in a lorry, we take him out,
Yeah
then
iphelile
he
game.
played the game.
Yeah but yena naye umngani wethu saya kuye simncenga ukuthi mfethu siyakucela ungaphumi noma uzolibela ulimpa khona ungaphumi but naye wasifela ukuthi hayi ngiyaphuma makaphuma manje nathi sesithi asazi ukuthi
Kumele wanophasa
asana plan
uyiwanethu kumele aphakame.
but mina ngasho ukuthi hayi laba ngeke bangihlule lapho ngoba bangicosha kokucala manje sodlala nabo ila i-Chiefs seyongilanda khona ke seyongilanda
Ayokwenzela
after lo game coach Ace wangilanda wathi baba Tuesday is a gym.
Okay.
Tuesday angisayi ukuthi ngisawutrayela
Straight.
athi ndoda mina angisho ngikunika ngena la vele ke angaba right
Phela ngishaya kanje uMadrax.
ngoba mina yona i-Chiefs alapho mengipokela lapho
Boyipokela.
yeah
Ushaya ngecardback kanje phase safe. Ngani wami.
ushaya nge-cardback kanje ngiphase isisefo
Uyekhoni.
ngiyangena lapha amabharakeni ngithi ngane kunzima agcine ngima uthi yabayi.
Okay. So Matrax now wena awusoli la ku Kaizer Chiefs, your first day la ku Kaizer Chiefs kunjani the mood, ujimana bobani into ezinjani?
khona first day mekumnandi ngoba ngafika ngathola bo-Extain ngathola bonke abozitha ngabathola nje bonke safika vele sajela vele sathandana vele ku-Kaizer Chiefs kunaleyo thandana ne-respect.
Okay.
Ukuthi i-respect ikhona kakhulu futhi lapho ngoba lapha hayi bona ba-developer uyabona ukuthi
uyadevelopa
la ukuthi akudlalwa uyabona uyajima lapho.
Okay, so life inside of yona, life inside in terms of uphila kanjani ulala, like let us say the life for the Clamor Boys, how was it?
Life memnandi kakhulu memnandi kakhulu life ukuthi lapha mele ubheke ikhadi lakho uzenzele umsebenzi wakho ya usebenze kanzima usebenze showcase ukuthi uzodlala but if awusebenzi angeke udlale ngoba i-multi choice icala ngathi multi choice icala ngathi nami abo flight nani bengazazi lezo zinto ngalezo sikhathi yabona Masifika sengiyayithola abo-flight sesiyabathola ngithi kuyenzakalani yabona. Lapho nami sengiyagcina sengiyajwayela ukuthi hayi
ukuthi
manje uso flight ugibela so manje uyaso yabona. But nami ngasho ukuthi hayi yazi labafana laba abancane laba kumele baphushe mfethu.
yeah ne
Kodwa bahlukane nento ey'ningi baphushe mfethu. Ibhola lamanje nelakudala alifani.
alifana
La manje selinayo inkinto linemali. Azifani naleli lakudala.
alifana ne
Alifani.
okay so Feza wena why after winning that discovery why did akhona ama-team azile kuwathi ayakufuna for maybe Mutsipe NFD
Ya ngidlalile kuMsipe bro.
so ize kanjani then
Ngidlale bathini? kuPhiva United. eMpumalanga ngithathe uGotman bathi bani? Abraham.
okay
Yeah.
so take us
Ngadlala.
through ukuthi leyo deal ukuthi yenzakale noma ufika la were you competing or you were just bekuyiteam edlala kuphela
No, besikhompitha lapha.
imali beyikhona
Besikhompitha sadliwa kulethuzana. Ku-final. Mele siye ku-Nedbank Cup. Yeah, sadliwa ku-final. Mara lapha bekukhompithwa lapha. Yeah, bekukhompithwa. Bekumnandi lapha nje. Ne-process yakhona ukuphathwa kahle, ukudla kumnandi. You understand? Yonke into beyi-right.
okay
Ngeke ngikhulume kabi. Yeah, ngeke.
so abazali
Ya abazali bayivuma ngoba isisela vele beku-right hayi enhle ngeke ngikhulume manga beku-right ya beku-right bangilanda endlini vele Yeah.
kusho ukuthi bekakufunga
bangilanda endlini ole lami lathi hayi hamba mfana.
okay so now in terms of Lona Lelithu so who was the best player between Lona Lelithu
Yimi Jezapel.
Jezapel
Yeah.
okay I will
Yimi
try
khuluma wena.
Hayi best player mfethu. Hayi nami ngiyavuma. Hayi uJezapel
bekwenye
Jezapel azange ashise one season.
ushize like
Boma 10 season. Alibela ashise ayenza into eyi-1 yabo. Alibela yenza into eyi-1 and nawe uyabona ukuthi hey lo muntu lo balibele bathi bafuna ukumvimba. Hayi akavimbeki. Abantu bafuna
ukuthi avimbeke
hayi uyabona ukuthi lo muntu lo hey mfethu ngikutshela ukuthi khona elinye la yabona namanje angeke ngilikhohlwa. Siyahamba Sinike dlala Discovery futhi masidlala ngayizolo
yeah
siyafika yimi Jezapel uMessi sifike sihleli la kuhlela abanye abafana nje ngapha emuva futhi labafana laba bathi hey sibani nina niyadlala baba khona enye team edlala izolo khona enye engaka emfishane ishaya number 3 yo le team ente thina sihleli naye akasiboni lo muntu yabona ukuthi umuntu akaboni lo athi hey nami ngahlabeka ngabuza iBrahim wade Messi wayizole thina Messi wathi thina ayakhuluma yathi hayi emfethu leyo number 3 yo coca lonke iground elingaka umfishane ngithi maceda sayibiza le out sathi zwakala mfethu uthi khani imbona sela ukuthi hayi emfethu nayi le number 3 yathi emfethu yabona lo number 3 number 3 cela kude team yakho thatha captain belt thatha no number 10 wephela utswemu ngithi hayi uthi thina sikhaphe mfethu uJezapel mfethu uthi simkhaphile lo
Azingeke ngayenzani bro. Siyadlala ne. Yimi uMadrugs i-Mike Stars. Ithi 3-0 first half.
Mike Stars
Yeah, i-Mike Stars.
ithi
Ithi 3-0
aya
First
boshila
half.
bo
first half. Ha. Ngi-strike. Leso sikhathi. Bathi mabathi kuphuma ngewingeni. Ha. Sayishaya for 3. Sengisewingeni angithi.
so bekuba uba nokori
Koru screen.
Goru screen
Bathi Jezapel yesayidini ngoba siyakwazi uyashesha. Mamela bro ngayenze enye into
so
lapha.
Cheza okay like outside sighting what was working for you like
Speed.
uno checker defense pele o receiver wa cover or uno receiver ball o sa tsebe o etsa mara o receiver o so khona o etsa ntho tso di etsa
No bro bengazi ukuthi ngiyenzani. Yeah, bengidrifta so. So bengayile phambili. Belo drifte so. Ubheke ukuthi bame kanjani. walihlaba ama-drugs ngiyami
or like speed.
speed
Oh, then la isele maoto go simple go qete mo.
simple yeah.
Go simple go mo trick because
Yeah.
o solo ka 18
Yes.
and any foul ke penalty.
ke penalty yeah.
Oh, okay.
benginjalo mina bro
So wena track ke into no spanela.
Mina into mengispanela ukuthi mina bengihlakaniphile. Bengikhona mina ukubona ukuthi yabona uJezabel manje usespacini esi-right. Nangesikhathi esi-right. uJezabel makakuthatha kisede sayidini. Ahlale nawe ngathi bar. Yena thina nathi siyazi ukuthi
Ngiyazi ukuthi ya
nathi siyazi ukuthi ulifunaphi. Asumphasi enyaweni. Ngoba yena makakulethela nawe uzozala.
uyazi ukuthi
lesiya isakhe.
isakhe.
Ngoba ne-center
Then
back
angeke uye naye.
late. Ne-center back late. Yena seka uquick. And mekangamaking. Lo muntu mekangamaking. Ngakhona ukuyenza into eyi-1 maybe 10 seasons. Hayi somaka ulibelwa somaka hayi ulibelwa hayi lo muntu
Abatlile ba le 3 unetsa. Cause now as football evolves the way nisho kakhona ukuthi hayi ibhola lakudala namanje alifani. Now World Cup yangisakhumbule kana kwe coach wa Belgium. Alesikhathi Belgium isase Belgium. I remember they were playing against it was Brazil. If Neymar goes that side, Guza like the right back. Akusawukona nane man. Then utlele cover tse 3. So Fezile awunoka mwenza jalo na qeta hore bomba difficult.
ufezile azi mekahlakaniphe ngani. Maniza kuya ni-3. Yena sekabonile ukuthi ikhave khona. Uyakhona ukuthatha ibhola afind i-striker hambe. Yena no-3 nizohlala la. Yena uyazi ukuthi maka-find i-striker uyahamba straight.
One touch layer.
Uthi cha yena sekaseboxini. Yabona yena mekahlakaniphe ngalokho ukuthi uyakhona ukubona ukuthi okay manje angengikhona ukumdribula lo. Khona uvalile. But into emele ngiyenze ngiyaliphusha ngiphasa la ngiyahamba. And then i-tracker touch maqeda box and no-3 senifile. Uyabona khona uzomkhaba penalty. Yikho mekahlakaniphe ngalokho fesi.
So now can you say ukuba talented does it guarantee you a place go pro side? Ukuba talented mamnandi is it easy for you to reach the pro side or ihamba nani?
mina bro wami Jelivar esikhathini samanje ibhola ibhizinisi ngiguarantee ukuthi noma ungabantu kangakanani uzofika pro side ibhola ibhizinisi bro.
Because now I'm asking this because of you were good. That is my trust concert. Ngoba nasazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni. But now uma-trucks ukhuluma grand ngawe, uMessi ukhuluma grand ngawe, bonke mfethu ibhesta yonke mabaqala bathi okay maybe we can say Themba Shabalala and then bese the rest bayalandela boma-trucks Messi what. So but now we have such a talent but you didn't reach to pro side. Understand? And which is now say okay how le mnati utlofika mole or umnati focus ya wayibona like the question is what
mina into ngibhekile ukuthi uyabona professional Fezile ushort yabo ushort Fezile and akekho strong yabo kube beka short a strong maybe bekukhona into ezoyenzeka but yena ushort namanje uyambona namanje kuhleli nawo ngaka but umdala uyabona umuntu umdala makuyabona umdala yima ushort uyabona shuthi naye into uma bambheka ukuthi okay lo muntu unalo lonke ibhola but Cortis uyabona uKort shoot
is Messi tall then Messi umude or
uMessi
yabona
Lionel Messi.
But okay I get much I don't know indaba wona most of the time asikhuluma sithi ibhola lilana not your body abanye physique iyabasebenzela abanye ayibaspanele abanye uthola ingqondo iyabasebenzela but abanye uma qala ufuna ukuhlakanipha kuba nama-player abasmartera kuyena, so kungcono enzeni agurashe. So yazi makagurasha uthusa abantu uba free.
Yikho ngisho ukuthi professional physique iba khona.
Ibakhona.
Saphela isikhathi sokuthi hayi hey mina ngikuke insimbi nami ngafika ngaziguge but nabathi ndoda nakho ngena la kumele ungene uyabona kumele ulift ukuthi nawe uzizwe ukuthi hey chest ikhona hey manje sengiyadevelopeka manje yabona sengiba strong sengiyakhona ukuphushana nobani yabona ngoba banokuthi phushanani kanje uyabona manje wena uyabona ukuthi awunansimbi yikho ngisho ukuthi bakutshela ukuthi kuka always kuka.
Okay, I it's all great. So maybe looking back and what was your challenges? Maybe let's say if that thing it can be a family, if your family supported you, maybe somewhere, or maybe how fika for example Kaizer Chiefs, if ola fika ngondo unaliona then ngabe wenze understand or fezile kana kwelalo ku Vodacom ngondo naliona no ngojo labaliona then kuri any changes ku bona ngabe lezwa picture yawo
mfethu yabona hayi kube ngikude kakhulu phela manje manje kube ngifera ngoba mangithi ngiyabheka no PSL manje ayisekho strong kangaka. PSL ayisekho strong manje usuyabona ukuthi and namanje sekudlala abantwana yabona
borile at his age
yabona yikho ngisho ukuthi PSL yamanje nale yabo Pace mawubona yabo Pace ukuthi me strong kakhulu yabo Pace
lapha yayi
Pitso
baby
mfethu ngitshela ukuthi sike sadlala ne Sundowns, Chiefs versus Sundowns. Yo ila ngibona khona uPace angakabi first team player
asazi ukuthi DC
ila ngibona khona ukuthi hey Pace uphiwe ibhola
umnandi
and after the season Pace itawu first level first team ngathi first level Pace itawu and we are excellent nala and lapho mikadlala noMabunda khona umunye umfana nokumabunda no shows now Pace ubone ukuthi hayi manje labantu laba manje sebadlala first team hayi ukuthi and na ku first team uyabona ukuthi banibonisa ukuthi nina nibancane thina into yethu sesilethi naphezulu nina hayi nisancenga thina makasile into engibonile ukuthi hayi football unokuthola ohlakaniphile ukudlula ungahlakaniphi but uthola ohlakaniphile ukudlula wena ukuthi wena usesela yena sekalapha yabo ubone ukuthi hayi basidla bo ma-3-1 na ubone ukuthi hayi laba bancane but laba but uma uthi uyabheka uPace umncane yini ukhulela development ucale kahle
structure
ucale kahle
unayo lento le from
development
ukhulume ngokuthi
ingqondo obonayo usasemncane nale uyiphethe manje if le no awusolihoti so uyithotse sinzano lentwana ka opportunity oyithotse
bro abona mina ngikutshele bari abona manje ngabona lami nedlala ngalo mcondo benguphethe ngabe linedlala liphila kamnandi libe right nje
ayekho umuntu ofuna ukudlala ibhola for the sake of play
yazi ngabona lami li-right bro lizihlalele nje lapha sizibhalela bo-4 ngilise manje bro
it was a dream
it was a dream bro.
It was a dream that didn't came and now
true
abantu bahlezi bakhuluma grand ngawo but Why
But
that luck?
why
That luck didn't
why?
came? You understand? Why that luck didn't came?
Ngabe oleli lami lizihlalele kahle phela ngikutshela ma. Isistate lami lizihlalele kahle.
This thing, it becomes more emotion, Buffett.
Yeah,
because
ibuhlungu le
it
nto. Ibuhlungu.
because of ungathola sometimes you have invested so much in football, but it doesn't return.
Ayingibhadalanga
And
ngaleyo
yazi
ndlela
most
leyo.
angazi I once said this noMessi. uMessi athi haya coach, uyabona bonke abantu abadlala ku-PSL they deserve to be there because of immediately udlala nabo. That's why you will see ukuthi la bantu vele they deserve to play laphaya. Understand? Because akere mfethu italent uyalibona mfethu. Umuntu wazi ibhola, you just say hayi lo muntu lo mfethu uzokala uzana. Yeah, okay, hore ha to go Pimville. Let's say we have best player in Soweto. Just because of Agaveli la Pimville, I don't have to turn the blind eye. Kinalo connection. Even kinalo connection.
Umkenye mfowethu.
But now, like the way you were saying, football is what? It's business.
It's business. Business le nto le.
Kaya umnati. Then resend message. So that's why ke la ka botsa, ona le mo ke la ka botsa mo nkare ke polo or ke connection le go tseba mang e tsamaya jwang e hamba kanjani
Ngale side okhulume ngalo.
e hamba nga
Connection.
ukuthi waziba
Yeah. Injalo.
Dragi nawo believe kanjani?
Nami into engibhilivayo ukuthi yona ukuthi no indaba zokutrayela sesibadala.
Yeah.
Kufuneka umuntu ozokuthatha manje athi baba ngena lapha. Uma ufailile usifailele wena. Yabona? Ngoba njena nje you can't ukuthi uzolebela utrayise ufail. Utrayela ufail. But
baningi.
Yeah. Azokufuneka inyuka awunanyuka. Mina ile nto ngikutshela yona ukuthi ngatrayela ku Chiefs.
Yeah, bakhatha.
Bayabuya
Against board.
babuya bayenzani? Bakhona ukungilanda. Uthi manje
nakhona because of udlala against bona and boba
yeah but lo muntu mekala ila sebasho ukuthi lo muntu mekala manje
kanjani lento
yikho ngisho ukuthi manje wena awusayi ngokuyenzani ngokutry so uya straight ukuthi
into ziba grand manje. No stress. Yeah.
And the shooter siyabalanda la.
Yeah.
Not today.
So try to now ke batla re ringe ka discipline, fitness, punctuality, attitude, education, agents, connections, family support, money, and exposure. How are they playing a role in a player? Maybe let's say discipline. Ukuba discipline as a player, is it good or bad, or it's moderate?
My player mele ube ne-discipline sibani. Into abayifuna kuqala discipline ukuthi cala uzihloniphe khona ukusihlonipha sonke. Yabona? Ukuthi discipline. Babakutshela ngesikhathi ukuthi ngo-9 wena endlini uyazi usuka ngo-8.
Okay, 1 hour before.
Yeah, ukuthi mase ngifikile sofika vele yabona but uyazi ukuthi 9 o'clock siyacala ukujima hayi phuma kini ngo-9.
Okay, so in terms of fitness, ungadlala ibhola ungekho fit, leli straight, elite, or maybe let's say ungadlala i-PSL, mangithi PSL ungekho fit and perform. Ungadlala
ngeke bro.
Kusho ukuthi idinga ube
fit. Ngoba ukuba fit mfethu yikho bakhona nabo kuyoshaya i-pre-season. December ama-Christmas.
Yeah.
Yabona sidla ama-yogurt, ama-Christmas. Yabona i-Christmas ukuthi uyayazi njani Christmas. But bazokutshela ukuthi madoda ngeyi-2 ziyakhala pre-season.
Ngeyi-1 bokumnandi.
31. Wena usabheka ngeyi-1. Wena ulibele uyajima la elokishini. Yabo? Awurelax. Ipraza yakho but wena urelax uyazi ukuthi 31. Bafethu wena noma bahleli bashisa inyama wena uyaphuma uyazi mawuphuma wena bambangana lo muntu ufake i-raincoat lo muntu ufake i-raincoat i-31 uyaphi wena ngithi uzilungisela ukuthi bazithi 2 bangithola ukuthi hey ngiflex wena bangithola ukuthi nami ngile yeah ukuthi nami ngile.
Okay, so i-attitude skin nayo njani?
Attitude grand mfethu.
Sengisho the bad attitude asithi maybe i-attitude maybe you go to training but hayi coach awuyifateli wena nawe nike attitude, your attitude being there ayikho right, into enjani le?
Bro wami, lapho angeke usurvive.
Angeke usurvive.
Angeke usurvive lapho.
ngoba nokungala
Angeke usurvive ngoba ekugcineni wena kumele uncengele ekugcineni ngoba yena kumele afake iskini. Sho ukuthi wena angeke udlale ukuzohamba.
Eish,
Asho ukuthi angeke angikusebenzise.
ngoba vele uzangani
Yeah.
wena uza
Uyabona?
nge-attitude.
Attitude.
Even so maybe let's say uthandwa i-management, ipraise makathanda ipraise coach angazwani naye, because I think the attitude now comes where like there's triangle, chairman uyamthanda, lo udelela ngo because of uze nge-U19, so manje they are beetling badelela u-coach.
But ucoach yena uzokutshela ukuthi mina ngishaya isipani sami. Naye akafuni ukudluka isipani. Yabona? Isipani sakhe isipani sakhe. Akafuni ukuthi wena le phezulu yena akazingeni. Yena isipani sakhe uzosho ukuthi mina ngizodlala ngabami. Laba bami if bangisebenzela ngizodlala ngabami. Lo wakho uzohlala
Yazi njani direct. Noma i-management ingakuthanda. Ucoach makakuzwisisa akuzwisisi. Injalo. Yeah. Ichayini. Ichayini.
So in terms of education, i-education ile sikhuluma ngayo. Mawudevelop umntwana, you are not just umfundisa ibhola, uyamdevelop ukuthi okay ufika ngesikhathi, balance nasesigela, hlonipha abantu. Angithi i-education ile nto leyo, and again bese siyayithatha siyisa kuphi esigela. Uthole esigela nakhona uyadlala, most of the ama-soccer player ayadlala esigela. Hayi ukuthi bayafeyila for the sake ukuthi abekho mnandi, yena sekakucabanga i-short break ukuthi uzofaka bani kwethu, uzokuchithisa ngobani, long break, uyanganasela. Uthisha makaloko athi hayi le nto le yamkhenya, ufuna ukudlala ibhola lo muntu.
Yeah, bakhona abantu abanjalo.
Yazi wenzani bro? Angithi bayafunda abantwana.
Yeah,
Kune-break.
yeah.
Uyacela ku-principal ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso ngicela bayojima egroundini.
I-groundis.
Ile nto bengiyenza mina.
Oh.
Bengisipana isigela futhi. Ile nto bengiyenza ukuthi ngesikhathi esiso bangacabanga ukuthi manje asiba entertain ngale nto abayithandayo. Yeah. Ngoba naba-netball bengizokutshela usister ukuthi abakhiphe bodlala netball ngaleso sikhathi leso.
Ngaleso sikhathi
Yes.
leso. Okay. So sikhuluma nge-education now.
Yeah, ukuthi vele i-disc lesigela zavayela. But nokuyenzeka ama-shortcut ukuthi manje uyayithola manje i-contract
Yeah,
usesigela
usesigela.
uyahola. Wena uyazi ukuthi mahola uhola ngithi maybe
Yeah.
abo my 28. Utshela ukuthi umem amele i-31 utshela ukuthi usazommamela.
Eish.
Angeke. And nangapho uzoyenzani? Encwadini hayi sangibhora isikole hayi ngasiyeka isikole gcina soyenzani.
And now I think that's where we also have to come namamendu.
yes
Ukuthi okay, you cannot play ibhola forever. Ibhola mayiqala bathi bayigcoba, uyazi ukuthi hayi mina ama-investment nginawatwathi nginawabona. So ekuqaleni vele we family ihotman lakho maybe, or maybe ihotman lami mfana le nto leyenzayo uGrenda le mina ngakusapota ngendlela ekanje. But if ngiyabheda kumele bangitshele ukuthi hayi awuhambi ukhuluma into engamelanga usikhulume, khuluma kahle, uhloniphe abantu, wenze so wabona. So ile guidance esesikhuluma ngayo in terms of education again.
Yeah.
So mara ngiyakuthola vele uhola mitha nguye.
Usageleza.
Ungahlala eklasini uthi mem
Hayi.
bafethu. Mari okay, maybe esikhathini esiningi singakhuluma sithi hayi mina hayi bafethu mali. Yebo.
If ikhona sibali. Uyakutshela
Sisebenzela yona into
uyayeka yonke into. Ukuthi hayi isikolo sangibambezela. Ngiyahola mina imiliyoni.
So ama-agent wona adlala indima enjani? Agents in football.
Ama-agents adlala indima enjani? Ama-agents adlala indima ukuthi yiwo akenzela idili.
Sure.
umuntu okuthatha kanje iya lapha uyosayina
Yeah.
yabo hayi ukuthi ilento mesikhuluma ngayo ukuqala ukuthi thina azange basithathe kanje siyosayina
Yeah.
sile kuyozilwela sizilwele nawo wakhane sewenzani wakhane sewacala bavela ukuthi yazi yabona bacale sebavela ukuthi hey man khona into engiyibonayo kulo mfana khona hayi umfana athi
Thela amanzi bese uyibeka.
yabo athi ngimbone hayi naye sekayenzani naye sekafuna ukuthi hayi ukhona lo yona agent izokunika yonke into ufuna ama-boots nawo ufuna ini naye yabona
Okay.
hayi leyo nto uyasibuda agent kanjalo
Okay. So i-connection iza ngani? I-connection iza ngama agent.
agent yeah
So and not any player. So listen, not any player can be managed by an agent.
yeah
Kusho ukuthi if for example manje and let's say lile babedi so la idlala ball, but because of mina as an agent ngithanda uma-drugs, ngivulela uma-drugs i-opportunity ngiyakuvalela wena. How is that fair?
angeke ibe fair but obvious angisho i-agent lona liyafika lihlale kanje libhekelele amagame
Lisikhethele umuntu wakhe.
yeah lithi maceda lidayi badlala nini next ngifuna ukubheka maybe 3 games
Yeah.
after 3 games sisho ukuthi uyabona ukuthi hey
Lo muntu lo consistent.
yeah lo muntu uyenza into right maceda hayi mfethu bheka so yabo singathola bani
Yeah.
hayi uyafika fika endlini hayi lo muntu lo kanje manje ngiyamhambisa ufuna ukuyomdlalisa kuphi nawe uzoyenza yeah endlini bazothi hayi
Ama-drugs lethela
uyahamba
imali manje.
manje yeah
Hamba.
manje hamba yabona ukuthi
Even beside assessing the deal. Uthole bathi ma-drugs is going there. Maybe for example, uhola meter. Mara ma-drugs uthola 3.
Yeah.
Yena uthola 70. How is that a good fair? Ke manga sebetsa yes. Umphile opportunity. Mara motho a sebetsang ke mamba fethu.
ke ne ke sebetsa
Wena so tšhelete e ngata tshwanetse e kae?
una
Mara ya etsana. A enzakala kanjalo. That's why ke tjho ke re connections hona ntho tse ngata tse senyang bolo bafethu. Utho 10 years consistent ma-drugs. Opportunity next. We have to say this, but the way living cutting, celebrities, Tamo Pinville, Tamo Soweto, let's come together. Ntho e etsahetseng ko Fezile le wena. E se ka etsahala ho Bokaka. Re na le dintja mo Pinville. Yeah, re na le dintja mo Pinville mo. So ntwana tseo tshwanetse re zame attitude ya tsona e be trend.
sizikhulise hlale la ukuthi
Then I get them to ama-hotman a maholo a tsebang le nna just I'm that in se ke le ko spacing se go ba le connection nyana e go ba le that influence ke na le yona right nka founela Thabo Ntete from Siweleni amane Thabo Ntete amakina le ntwane under 17 so go kwa mase ha okay when Sandiland wa tseba o etsa la ntwana so meaning ha ke ya se go tshwere ka letsogo gobane se ke ringile le la
yeah
wena o ya la se go tshwere ka letsogo
yeah ukuthi
nang
yeah yinto esifelayo thina ukuthi thina asikhoni ukuthi phela intwana noma ishesi funeka ukuthi uyibambe ngesandla
yeah
uye ku-Chiefs coach Ace hayi awuzame lo mfana yabona yeah
ngoba uze ngawe
yeah
obvious
le ntwana kayi le manje engazi coach under 17 yabona ustage uyamthatha ustage amengidlala nangu lo mfana awumzame mbheke yabo mbheke yabona naye uzobuya ukuthi hayi mfethu
yeah all right
yabo
and now ha batla player o sa ona
sikacabanga awuna nix
uyacabanga
yabo ngoba yini sihlale sonke sikakhona awuna nix khona into ekhona naye sekakhona ukubona ukuthi oh yabona ngoba uma ungayenzi loo nto intwana zolibele zidlala la ekhasi zipheleleni
Injalo. Injalo.
Antona yami kumele ufake icheese uyabona.
But awufaka cheese intwana. Oko kanka unalisa something eblack la wena matrag ne kire ithe ka wena uthi. Kile la. Ungapha.
Ya ngizogqoka. Kumele ucabangele lesi sincane.
So le session e ke ama drugs ane. Then jeza lwena ona le ha. Then after that ke ana tla be se re setse ka thotsenyane fela then. Be se re le mna. So now I'm enjoying the conversation.
Manje amadana apha wethu.
Yeah, wait.
Okay.
So more Draghi, Iri, you had the Kaizer Chiefs opportunity at what point did your dream start slipping away? So kan na go ya ntso dlala go Kaizer Chiefs. Dintho di qadile ho peta kae? Or maybe o bona ka ina no aba some favor no na or like into
give me into engayisho ukuthi yabona mfethu uKaizer Chiefs mase ngithandana bagcina sebaslowna yabona baqale bathi ayi nayilona indoda hambo nceda
next week uzizi
mfethu hayi baqale ukungilona mfethu bathi hayi hamba ku
Swallows.
Yeah, Swallows. Roka Swallows.
Yeah.
Fika Roka Swallows ayi nawe uyabona ukuthi yabona la vele wonke umuntu la seke
umhobiwa no.
Yeah. Mdala kuyahola. Lapha siholi. Swallows bankrupt. Ngapha mele ugibele uyabona. Ngapha bazokutshela ukuthi hayi soyifa hayi nawe uyabona ukuthi cala nawe wenza relax ukuthi imali engimosha ukugibela ngisejimini phinde futhi ngibuyele uyabona iningi lo ila sokubona ukuthi hayi manje hayi sekuyabheda manje
sekuyabheda ne
ngoba manje sowuyenzani nenini bayifaka nenini abayifaka nenini uyabona nawe sowazi imali sowazi imali soyabuyela ku-Chiefs phelile lo soyabuyela ke kamnandi mawufika lapha ufika uyazirelaxela nabo sebayazi ufika relax sibalekele ngapha bafuna ukufaka imali
akithe session yama drugs. So was there a particular moment where you thought things changed? Ona le mo e leng gore o nagana gore ntho di tla change e like from low no khutela la ntho ne tse di grand gore bana ba ola etsagala
cha lapho izinto vele za-change ngoba manje thina mase sibadala sesiyazi ukuthi manje laba sebabadala and njengoba sebabadala cono labantu labayi ba-relax.
So wena ku-Kaizer Chiefs ujime nabo bani?
Ngijimile nabo bonke
awuneyimele bani manje intelo ke di-celebrity ene wena ujimele tsona ujimele
yeye ngijimile Khune ngijimile ubani umuntu
Shaba
ya ngijimile namaplayer amaningi sadlala nabo i-friend nasihlala nabo futhi i-Chiefs iyathanda ke ukwenza ama-friends reserve first team.
So walidlala le bona unobahlupha or
ya obvious kumele ubahluphe mfethu but umuntu kumele abahlupha kakhulu ayo extend mfethu hayi extend me-coacha ubani lapha ku-Chiefs manje ku-Sundowns Compelo Steve.
Yeah, Steve Compelo.
Coach Steve. Bila asho khona uSteve ukuthi pule balande. Balande. Yazi no Kathando yamazi extend ukuthi ayimlande. Uyamazi kahle ukuthi emlande. Coach uzokutshela ukuthi balande labantu lapha. Bathi balele. Ila nathi sesibona ukuthi hayi lo muntu lo
omnandi.
First team.
Balesteni omnandi bafethu.
Ila nathi sesibona ukuthi first team lo muntu mfethu. Yabona mfethu. Akekho umuntu uzothatha into ekuwo
akekho ane
phela abo extend
same height ane if umuntu kancane
mkhulu nangomzimba strong.
Okay, so ebholweni wena can you say amaphutho wayenzile and those mistakes kungabe ama-mistake ukhuluma, maybe you are feeling sorrow, ama-mistake acknowledge-ayo, then you also advising intwana ezincane. Unale ntwana khakha emnadi kakhulu, and I love that boy. So advice lo ngamfana ka wena no maybe the mistake insaka wena stoppa nyana wena e-grand because na then there was no unosina leader, wena leader khakha, you understand? So wena you know better than khakha, so wena kumele wenzeni usiza ukhakha ukuthi hayi khakha le sihamba ngayo le asambe ngayo, wayibona lento le.
Kuthi mina yabona le ntwana ukhakha ne yona ngifunela ukuthi ingadlaleli lama-team nyana ukuthi yona nje ngifunela ukuthi maybe yebo ma-School of Excellence yohlala la yobloma la yabona ukuthi noma babayifuna bazi ukuthi bayokhipha imali eningi, uyabona ukuthi School of Excellence yonke into uzoba right ngoba uyafunda uhlala ibhola, uyafunda uhlala ibhola, yabona. Manje afika ama-team uyahamba uyodlala lapho angeke abe nemali eningi.
Yeah,
But now
in terms of that development.
Yeah, njengoba mncane kanje.
That development.
Angayi or ayebo ma-Cape Town.
Yeah.
Futhi aphume la sibaba.
Aphume.
Yeah. Ngoba uhlala la udlalela i-team yala. Yabona ukuthi kuyafana ukuthi
impintshi zakho
zila. Uyabona? But more Cape Town. Uzozala uthi ufuna.
Yeah.
Ngeke ufike. So kuleyo nto ukuthi kufuneka i-guidance. Yabona? Into efunekayo i-guidance.
So then was there anything you didn't take seriously enough at that time? Utsho nakona ngizodlala hona le ntho ke ne ke ba renyile ka di mistakes ngwe maybe wena o di entse utsho maybe mina ngenze whatever then ngenze. So this it's a follow up question or na something maybe let's say for example it's a mistake tsaka gona next attend gym actually 5 days ne ke tla ka di Fridays.
I go Chiefs every day.
Every day.
Yeah.
So wena ukwenza mistake
akhona ama off. But ama
off bosohlala la.
ngihlala kithi. Mesijime Nike, sijime ekuseni 9 o'clock. But uyazi ukuthi Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Kumele ube la.
Okay.
Friday sihamba se-camping. Friday. Saturday siyadlala. Iyo into eyenza ukuthi Tuesday uyazi Thursday babisa 18 ezojima Friday basiqeda ukushaya amakhona nama-free kick awusabuyeli kini. Into zakho ibag yakho ikhona iphethe. Hayi ukuthi hayi ngishiya izinto ikho leyo theko leyo ngiyibuka yonke into na mawusuka la uyadla
bethe white.
Yeah,
bethe ke di shit tse white.
mfethu uyanyiwa la
uyaseva
yonke into relaxile mfethu uyafona ukuthi ngisacela in lapha bathi bayilethe sihleli
service.
yonke into yabona relaxile mfethu uyabona ukuthi mfethu
i-life esifisela wonke ama-player
angekho kithi la yabo ayikho kithi la mfethu uyabona ukuthi mfethu professional sibade professional
inamasimba. Okay, so wena did you have abantu aba-right around wena batho be leng ba o kgothatsa like ba ntse ba o bontsha tsela le wena nakong tsole na?
Bebakhona but bangangekho strong enough.
Yeah, ukuthi bangadila ne-character yakho.
Yeah, ukuthi khona into efunekayo ukuthi yabona nazo le ntwana bokhakha sifuna umuntu strong enough ukuthi zona le ntwana lezi uyazitshela ukuthi hayi baba le ntonyana le Jimmy intwana ihleli la ilove Tuesday, Wednesday, izoya Thursday, Friday. Yabona ihleli la thina akusilo umuntu oshayo ukuthi thatha izinto sambe sejimini kulate kanje. Umtshela no, uyabona funeka umuntu onjalo but makahleli wena uzothi vele yita, yabona ayifuneki lona ngoba makahleli nawe la nawe uthi wanganga ejimini hayi ngiyabhala ubani ongabhala yabona.
Okay, now transition to amateur football to professional. ikuthatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi uthi hayi manje sekele professional now akisaya maybe ntse ke ja borotho mo re ke a matha tshepo ke a sokana boots kena groundeng like transition eo ya ho change or maybe uthole ufika ngesikhathi uthi light meal uye activation uye what benjani
Mfethu ile nto ngikutshela yona ukuthi yabona mfethu into ongazazi ngoba yonke into mfethu uyabona ukuthi yazi la hey ubucwele ufika ekuseni urelax uthi hayi athi ngithathe imafinyana ngithathe itiye yabona
okay
mawucedile uyazi ukuthi hayi athi ngifake i-tight yami kit yakho nayibekiwe lapha uyazi ukuthi hayi kit yami ibekiwe number yami thatha inumber yakho uyazigcokela ufake ama-headset mawufika ama-out awuveli ufike njengasegazi ufike ubulise wonke umuntu hhayi ukuthi uyafika nje kanje fika wonke umuntu uyambulisa
okay
sowucedile ukumbulisa uhlala phansi ugcoke nabo mabafika bazonibulisa nonke futhi sho ukuthi uthando kuyenza uthando ukuba i-team ukuthi yabona angeke ngifike ngishaye uJezebel ngebhomo mawukwatisiwe endlini ugadisiwe la manje angisho bakhipha inkinga zakho ukuthi manje shwa ukrend yabona sihlale silibele sihleka
now siza kuJeza yeah
mfethu uchamile ngathatha
okay Jeza no ithi Jezebel you were considered by Matrax to be one of the best players of that generation. Why didn't your career reach the professional level?
Akukutshela manga mina bro. Ngikutshele manga angazi kwenza wena.
Awazi.
Hayi angazi.
Leyo usho ngakhona ukuthi wena mfethu ibhola ulithandile respect.
Ngilithandile respect ngayenza yonke into.
Manje leyo opportunity ukuthi
hayi izangifike bro. Ayizangifike. Angazi why mara izangifike.
No, Tragi and Jezebel, I witnessed you play. Unfortunately, you and I, we are in the same age. But if I'm taking on Leona now, I had it then. I don't know a plan.
Jong, bro.
Ngwenya nekitlo etsa plan ya go bonagale. Because of ke na le matla go nka tobetsa button so over. Then ka nako ene le mammo Coach Ace o kile wa bua le Coach Ace were you close le yena maybe a o bona o dlala
Coach Ace
Coach Ace wa bontlo
nalutimo lobungezani
nelutimo so kila like is there anything I kila I with
next
or maybe hey you know as coaches sometimes re na lo bona ntse lo ga re bona ka tsona
next
but maybe I bona ka tsona but then was it a lack of opportunity or were they personal decisions that affected your career? Meaning, what I didn't say it's in a lack of opportunities.
I need lack of opportunity.
Lack of opportunities,
Ininkezana. Kisile Mpumalanga kadlala eBombombela. Jimile dibo Abraham Mode, dibo Monde ombona Monde Mpisana. Yes. Next.
Okay. No, that's all. So did you ever get close to signing a professional team? Maybe beside NFD, beside AB Kimotsit?
Next.
Have you went to next?
They need to go Vodacom, Jeff.
Okay. So what stopped it from happening? So like you said, I would say but you always dedicated yourself to football.
Never go.
So looking back, what would you change? Even in your future plans,
What would I change?
Or maybe when I'm plans work from
what change from that?
Not what change, like saying I'm plans work from now. I try you got a problem.
I'm a plans bro. I think I'll respond ngoba akusalungi
You know, ntho tse ke di etsa so, and I'm saying it proudly to that camera. Ke na le team in fact, and team ya ka nna ke batla e tlo change Pimville pele.
Okay.
Pele ke tlo tla ke ya kae kapa
Okay.
kae, so hona tje Friday ke faile ne ke le ko SARS. Ha ke fihla ko SARS ba re, no, you have been granted a PPO number and session 18A. Session 18A ke mo e leng hore it's easy for us to attract the sponsor.
Okay.
Di tle di rae mfetwa tsa keng hobane o creator economy kasi
Yes.
ke ye funding. Then as soon as ke thola that se o itse o batla spot.
Yeah.
So meaning ka o kgothatsa.
Yeah.
Immediately opportunity o e fihla. Ke tlo tla go bona batho be se ke ba interview le ba mo if ha bana di plan. Ke re ngwenya o no tseba hola ke. So e tla go Pimville FC ke tlo godisa o tlo thola bokana.
Danko.
We send ko ha be ke contract bo ma 3 years. Wa tseba for the next coming 3 years
Kisha.
o grand
Kisha.
o ruta bana ball.
Yes.
And ha ke tlo etsetsa Pimville fela hobane
Yeah, e di ka
ntho tsa compliance di tricky. I love pre coaching career ka ke qelle ko pre ka looks ke matala ntate ke motho wa mo so ntho tse ha di fihla I have to ke bitse palesa wa ntate ke bitse motho
Yeah,
ke re, guys, this is how you
you're giving
apply
back.
wa understand that I say
Yeah, you're giving
ha
back.
premier e se na le funding for 3 years Pimville na le for 3 years e tlo hira batho ba ika ba Pimville
Bangata.
Cameroon e etse same thing Pimville West Ham e etse same thing team tse tsa mo kasi mo di etse that meaning the ex-professional players tse leng ba dutse machita ne spana so but they are giving back to the community but they are getting something.
They are getting something.
Ke
Yes.
vision ya ka
Okay.
le ona tja re bua mo okay ntwana tsa rona magotmana a rona le rona re di entse diphoso but you cannot judge us ka diphoso tsa rona. You understand we still want to go ne re le bana we didn't have mentors.
Yeah, we didn't
Marona
know.
tje at least re na le light nna ke vision ya ka very soon ntho tsa di kopana ngwenya ke tlo kokota
Hauna stress.
ngwana se ke tlo kokota re thusaneng. Men are going through a lot bontate that's why no thola bontate ba ihengile ba entseng
Yeah.
ko bane ka kae majita a tlazana re batle mfethu if out ya ka ya cover table ke batla mo thusa if out ya ka pa ise ke batla mo thusa so le rona re be guidance no wa bona the way ne ka teng da control so ke batla go kgothatsa ha ishaye wena o le one e dilo e nshaya ore Jezabel ka talent ya hae azanye mo patale bolo e mona potshelo ta bolo mna ngata ene mnata so ya session tsa lona da I think se di fedile so hona tje se le taba tsa bodi we spoke about grassroots wa bona system. Do you think system e sebetswa mo for Safa Soweto or Soweto Football Association e leng office ya teng mo e etsa dintho right in terms of development ba tshuna ntho tse sharp
ba tshuna ntho tse sharp ba tshuna oba botalusi uma ngiyabona ba batla dinxusi dibe grand yeah didlale bholo dibe sharp if fitla team uma professional team e batla ntwana ba tlo yintsa emfethu tsamaya yabona so inako ya hao yabona
okay so now se re le ko last part ya rona se re tlo kwala now ke part 7 ya rona so do you have anything to say ka system ya rona bolo ya rona ya mo so we botalusi ke part ya bona I think ya di executive can you make matraks hore bona ba etsa ntho sharp ba ntsha ba fana ntho wena can you say are they giving these boys enough opportunities coaches do we have coaches who are qualifying hore ba tlo ruta bana remember nka bo ruta matraks mara if ke sena information ke tlo mo se but if ke kelezitse ke tlo ruta matraks ba bona
bona akere bana le yona information
Yeah.
baba bayaya lapha esikela sakhona
sure.
bathola yini coaching what yeah ama-course yeah bona banaso isikela sakhona angeke ngikhulume ngabona
so
Yeah.
the system is
i-right system yakhona i-right system yakhona kuthi manje yabona and manje banokuvana le ntwana ezincane yabona baye egrawundini babuye nazo yabona
okay.
so yeah i-right mina for mina esayidini lami i-right
Okay. So Matrax, this comes to you. If I gave you the opportunity to go back to 2015, knowing everything you know today, what would you do different?
2015
Yeah, 2015, Katago ya discover your prime time over yeah. Ne ke ba qoqa ba.
ayi yabona ke 2015 ayikho ngisho ukuthi yabona isikhathi mase sifikile asifikile sibani 2015 mangifutha and manje 2015 ngobona nawo ukuthi hayi labantu laba bafiti ngoba thina sijwayele ukujima ekuseni ngo6 o'clock coach hey asiyeni madoda hey nawe usadlela mina siye ayikho ukuthi usazolala uyazikhipha engubeni
Yavusa nale.
ujima and ngaleso sikhathi ujima jime Nike
Yeah.
jime Nike cabanga uma uthi uyabheka sijime Nike 6 o'clock kumele uyehle ngokugijima uyakutshela ukuthi kumele nginifikele kuqala yo uphuma endlini uphuma ngenye 120 ukuthi hayi yimi kumele ngifike kuqala ufika yena yonke into yakhe sekayidlalile but yena uyazibuza ukuthi abakafiki athi ngiphume ngapha banamanga but yena makasale uyolanda abanye yena iground uthola selimakhiwe
Selmaki.
nawe uyazi ukuthi ayi athi sigcoke silibele siphasana
So same question to Natchez. If I gave you the opportunity, what would you change from 2015 ka era ya utsho hayi?
Hayi mina ngazi ngichangeani bro wami. Hayi mina ngazi angeke ngitshele
Okay.
ngingachangeani vele. Isikhathi.
Isikhathi. So now se re tlo dlala ntho yana. So meaning that say your talent without dash is useless. So re ka kenya ndaba. Maybe you can say talent without hard work or a seriousness, whatever. What does it say to you? Or a talent without dash is useless.
mina into ongayenza serious kumele ube serious baba yeah kumele angube netalent ungekho serious kumele ube serious
Talent without discipline.
Okay, discipline, serious.
serious
So a young footballer must never dash. You can finish. Never run away from football.
A young footballer
Yeah.
a young footballer mustn't
must
disrespect.
never disrespect.
melafunde
Melafu. Okay. The biggest mistake I made was
Drinking alcohol.
drinking alcohol.
yeah kumele angazitwa
Okay, drinking alcohol. I wish someone had told me, ukuthi, according to you, maybe I wish someone told me not to date at the early age, or maybe don't quit school, or whatever. Elungwe ikhuluma nawo. Yeah, ukuthi I wish i-time bengitshele into ekanje. Mara angithi yazwa.
Okay,
I
yeah.
mean, I can say maybe
Yeah, you
my
understand.
time I will say, I wish someone had told me life is so difficult.
yeah impilo inzima mfethu but inzima mbuyi
Okay, we can share it.
but inzima mamela inzima impilo mfethu and manje impilo akumelanga uthathe nje kuphela yabo but impilo akumelanga uthathe njengamadayisi impilo kumele ukhona ukuthi uyayibrackethisa bro ngiyakutshela kumele ukhona ukuthi manje ngiyatoda manje and then manje athi ngikhuphuka angile ngiyaphezulu angila yabona inzima impilo
Premier Impala gave me an opportunity to coach,
It gave me an opportunity
to play.
to explore.
mina ngilibele ngidlala yeah
Mina nginikile ukuthi ngi-explore.
Explore.
ngidlala ngifunde
Football took away kusho ukuthi soccer
Ithatha inhliziyo yami.
ithatha inhliziyo yami. Wena
ngikhiphile entweni eziningi
ikhiphile entweni eziningi.
sibhaye ngikhiphile ngoba mohlezi usebholweni
So football gave you what? So ikunikeni.
Anginikanga next.
Mina enginikile
Mina anginikanga next.
mina
Angina next manje. Anginikanga next.
enginikile development. Yangifundisa ngathola ini? Ngathola yini? Professional. Yabona manje ukuthi asengiprofessional. Ngibhona
Unani manje?
manje i-professional yangisho
That experience.
experience.
Mina anginikanga next.
Okay. So if I could speak to my 15-year-old self, I would say in what way? Okay, now if o ka ringa le ditebogo ka nako e ke na le 15 years ne nka reng ko ditebogong? Stay disciplined. Yeah.
Respect.
Melu respect.
Respect.
Respect, and yeah.
Stay disciplined.
and
Respect.
stay
Iba humble. Iba
disciplined. Sebenzisa ingqondo yakho.
sebenzisa
But
ingqondo.
kumele ukhone ukuhlonipha abantu
Self
abadala.
motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Self motivation. Uhlonipha abantu abadala, ne? Yeah. Okay. Now sesiqedile ke our final question say the legacy. So mase sikhuluma nge-legacy ukuthi when people talk about Pimville football, meaning Pimville
Ngafela,
Pimville football 10 or 20 years from now, what do you want them to remember you about?
Discovery na.
bazoyikhumbula
Discovery.
ukuthi abokuqala bathatha i-discover
Discover.
ePimville.
Discover.
Yabona abekho abanye ngoba yithi abekho abanye yeah abo bantu
Abe.
oh
Coach.
Yeah.
I'm the only coach to be the World Cup.
yabona discover baba ngeke bekhona noma ngakuwo mapha ama-team yipi team ethatha i-discover ePimville bazothini
Discover.
remember.
Yeah. So do you believe your story is a failure or is actually a success with lesson attached to it? Meaning impilo yakho from as Ntwana until now. Do you think o failed or o thotse di-lessons?
Ngithola ama-lessons mina.
Ama-lessons.
Yeah,
Yafundile.
ngithola ama-lessons.
Yeah.
khonela ukufunda ukuthi manje
Awufundile.
ingasayenzeki komunye umuntu
Yes.
leyo nto ukuthi
Yes.
komunye umuntu noma kuyintwana encane ukhona ukuthi
Khuza fast.
kuyashisa la
Yeah, khuza fast.
Yabona?
Khuza fast
Kuyashisa.
kuney'ntwana encane ukuthi
As much
manje.
as usaphila, you cannot see your failure.
Yeah.
You can try.
Yeah, you can
You
try.
can fail 1,000 times, but earlier something.
upope
Bele sikhuze ley'ntwana ey'ncane
lezi
ukuthi
ezincane ukuthi
le ndlela esiyihambile madoda. Sukani kuyo. Ibani right.
So now, Justin nje, ngicela ukuyivala bese siyaqeda. So we have came to our end of the session. So Matrax and Jezabel, thank you for sharing not only the good moment but also the difficult parts of your journey, and your story reminds us that talent can open a door, but discipline, decisions, opportunities, and the right support can determine how far you go. To everyone, to every young footballer watching, learn from those who came before you. Work hard, stay disciplined, and never stop chasing the dream. Until next time, this is Pimville, past and present. Thank you, Nyabo.
sibonge thina.
Yeah.